Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY highlight video, and if you clicked on this video you might be expecting some like crazy transformation, but these are my final results, which basically I feel like I look the same, at least on camera. My mirror just fell. At least on camera you can't really tell the difference. It does look a little bit lighter in person, and I will insert some video footage and some pics or whatever of what it actually looks like outside, because it definitely looks a little bit lighter than it's showing up right now. I was really trying to go for like blonde curls and that just didn't work. I should have knew that wasn't gonna work, but in my head like I just swore up and down that I was gonna have like these blonde beautiful curls. That's just not the case, and you guys will be able to see the process of what I had to do, but it basically in my eyes was a fail because I did everything that I didn't want to do, which was go to the salon. You guys will see in the video I ended up going to the salon because I had to fix my hair, and now this is where we're at $200 later, sitting here looking the same. In retrospect, I could have probably figured out a way to fix my hair without going to the salon, but I was honestly too scared to mess it up anymore. But before I keep talking, let's just roll the clip from last week when I tried to DIY highlight my hair. Today is going to be a little DIY video as I highlight my own hair at home. I've never done this before, and I don't want to say this is a tutorial because honestly I don't have the most confidence in what I'm about to do. That's why I've been putting it off for so long. But I have these Revlon all-in-one easy highlighting kits that I'm going to be using today, and I got the color Honey. So yeah, I've had these sitting here for at least a month, but I've been too scared because I don't want to damage my hair. But I figured this is the perfect time to do it since I don't have to be back in the office at work for 5 days. So if anything goes wrong, I can easily just go throw a box dye, like a black dye or something on top, or try to go get it professionally done. But yeah, these actually come with the cap method, and this is what the cap looks like, and you're supposed to pull the strands out. But I decided to just use a highlighting comb because this honestly looks like it's gonna take way too long, and I have a lot of hair, so I don't want to sit here for hours just trying to pull hair through. And I watched a few videos of girls using the comb and it looks so much easier. So that is my plan today. So I opened one already. I'm gonna open the rest of the contents in here. To do, it also comes with the cream developer as well as the highlighting powder. And then it comes with this little tray, so you don't have to use your own. It comes with like a little spatula and a little stick to pull out your hair if you're using the cap, which I'm not gonna use. And then lastly, it comes with the shampoo and the conditioner. Yeah, and then I also have some aluminum foil that I'm gonna be using for my highlights. But yeah, I think that it's best, from what I know, I'm obviously not a professional, I think that you're supposed to dye your hair, you know, when it's dirty, and my hair is pretty dirty right now. I haven't washed it since Saturday, and it is Tuesday, and I was at the beach for the past 2 days. Now this is what it looks like. It's stretched out because it was just in like a slick back pony for 3 days in a row. And yeah, you guys can see that this is my natural hair color. It's just dark brown, and then the ends are a little bit lighter because they were highlighted last summer. Enter the entire contents of the highlighting powder, enter the entire contents of the cream developer, mix until smooth and creamy. Highlighting powder and cream developer. Oh my god! Look what I just did! It just spilled. Okay, so I just separated all the foils that I'm gonna need. I'm probably gonna need more, but that should be good for now. And I'm gonna start separating my hair using this highlighting comb. So from what I know, this side is gonna give you like chunkier highlights, and then this side is gonna be thinner. So I think I'm gonna stick to the chunky side, and that's how I'm gonna separate my hair. So at first I thought I was just gonna stick this in the bleach and like rake it through, and that was gonna give me highlights. But I mean, from the other videos that I watched, you have to like separate your hair. So I'm gonna put this in my hair, and then there's gonna be like a little bit of a separation. Then I'm gonna grab the top pieces of hair, and that's the piece that I'm gonna highlight. Let me take this off. So yeah, I just put my glove back on, and now I'm just gonna start bleaching my hair. I'm so nervous. I don't know if I should use a spatula or use my hand. I'm just gonna use my hand. So I have like a little bit of bleach. I don't know if that's a little bit or a lot. I'm gonna start in the middle here and work. Wait, I think I need another glove. Okay, so this is the amount of hair I have left, and this is the amount of bleach I have left. So I'm a little bit nervous about it being able to cover that amount of hair. So I think I'm just gonna use the little bit I have left to focus on the front of my hair, because I really want it to be lighter around my face. So I have no more bleach, and I pretty much got everything except for like the crown of my head right here. So I don't know how that's gonna make it look in the end, but I have no more bleach. I use both of them, and this is what my hair looks like right now. It's actually been exactly 1 hour since I first put it in my hair on the bottom. So I'm gonna go and see if it actually even changed any color. I look crazy right now. And I feel like I can't hear myself because my ears are covered. Okay, hopefully that's not bad. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna see if the rest of these look any lighter than they did before. Wow, they do. Okay, can you guys see how blonde that is? Yeah. RIP to my curls. I can already tell that my curls are gonna look so bad. Hopefully they don't, but it looks like not good for them. Oh, I have another one back here. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm really nervous to see what it's gonna look like. Honestly, I don't think it will look that bad because I didn't really get to put any highlights on the top of my head. And that was 2 containers, although the first one did spill a little bit. So I'm just gonna jump in the shower, wash my hair out. I'm gonna use the shampoo and conditioner that came in the highlighting kit. And I also bought this purple treatment conditioner from Not Your Mother's. I picked it up the other day at Walmart. So I might also use this one. I don't really know if I need this because my hair is not actually blonde. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash this out. Ooh, oh my god, no, no, look what I did. Oh my god. Okay, I messed up on the baby hairs. Look what I did. You guys, look what I did to my hair. I need to jump in the shower. And then look at the front of my hair here. I just realized how bad it looks. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm gonna wash it out and try not to freak out until I see it when it's all dried and curly. So yeah, I'll be back in a few hours when it's dry. Okay, I don't know what happened to this audio, but this is me talking in the future while I edit this video. Basically the next day when I let my hair dry, it wasn't the worst thing in the world. Okay, I might have been exaggerating just a little bit, but I personally did not like the way it looked, and I would not leave my house like this unless my hair was wrapped up in a bun. I just don't think it looked good, and on camera it doesn't do it justice of how like orangey and brassy it looked. So basically I was just showing you guys how my hair looked the next day and telling you guys that I set up an appointment for that afternoon to go get it fixed. I wasn't sure what she was gonna do to it, but when I got there, she actually only used toner, which cost me $200, but it was okay. Not really. I could have figured it out myself for way cheaper, but I just didn't want to mess up my hair any more than I already did, like I mentioned before. Okay, so now that you guys seen that mess of a process, it wasn't that bad, but in the moment I really felt like I was ruining my hair and I got so scared. But now that I'm all here a week later, calmed down, I like the way it came out. I still want to go back, professionally get it done, because I do eventually want to have like blonde beautiful curls eventually. I'm gonna do it the right way though. As soon as I put that bleach in my hair, as soon as I washed it out, I could tell that my hair felt a little bit different. It definitely feels, even now it still feels a little bit drier. I definitely have way more frizz in my hair than I normally would. And it's also very hard for me to detangle my hair. So yeah, the bleach did have, you know, a little bit of a negative effect on my hair, but that is expected. So that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you know every single time I post a new video. And yeah, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.